To our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer a contact from your phone to your SIM card. So let's dive in. So you go to your contact. This is it, contact. So you can see these are your contacts. Just click on the settings, this menu button here, and click on import or export contact. So click on it, and this is it. Where do you want to import from? Is it from your Google to your SIM? Now I want to import from my phone, which is phone contacts, to one of my SIM card here. So you click on your phone contact. Now where did you want to import your contacts to? Is it to your Google, on your MTN, or my Airtel? So I'm going to import to my MTN SIM card. I'm just going to click on this. Oh, these are the numbers on my phone. So all the numbers you have on your phone will be displayed outside here. Just click on everything. Click on everything here that you wanted to export, or import. Just click on OK, and automatically I have import those contacts to my SIM card. So it is very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.